सो गाइस वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो ऑन द चैनल। वेल, आज के वीडियो में मैं आपको लेके जाने वाला हूँ एक स्टोर में। दैट इज़ अ ज़ारा स्टोर, वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट स्टोर्स। सो इट हैज़ ओपनड आफ्टर सो मेनी डेज। तो दोस्तों, ये हम आ गए ज़ारा स्टोर। इट्स द बिगेस्ट ज़ारा स्टोर इन इंडिया, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एस्थेटिक एंड ब्यूटीफुल लुकिंग स्टोर्स। The first thing I saw is for 1990. So guys, this is not actually a sale, but यहाँ पे जो भी मैं देख रहा हूँ वो आपको दिखाने की कोशिश करता हूँ कि hopefully you will see all these items in the future sale. तो कुछ नए आइटम्स देख रहा हूँ मैं, तो वो सारे आपको दिखाने की मैं कोशिश करता हूँ ताकि आपको what to expect next time, you know. 2990. I must say the quality is very good. इसका thick है. This is winter wear. What's this? This is a plain black shirt but t-shirt. लेकिन कुछ तो यहाँ पे लिखा है. The answer is already within you. So it's quite good. थोड़ा सा innovative है because in some places it is not visible. ऐसे वो change होता है जो. And I think this one I have seen the last time. इसका भी कुछ तो 2990. And these are simply the casual shirts. This is how much for this? 1000. These are hoodies. 2790. ये नया है. This one I have not seen it in the last time. Handbag rucksack. This is good if you are a photography enthusiast. So ये अच्छा है ऐसे सफारी एंड ऑल जाने के लिए.
Please come to the ground floor cash counter. Thank you.
This is good. मैंने इसी टाइप का जैकेट लिया था लास्ट टाइम. I don't know how much is this for. 2990. I got it for much cheaper than this. लास्ट टाइम जब सेल था. टी शर्ट भी अच्छा है. मेड इन पोर्चुगल. 1890. मेड इन पोर्चुगल. द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट ज़ारा टी शर्ट्स इज़ दैट दे आर वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड यू नो वेरी कंफर्टेबल टू वेयर. ऐसा बिल्कुल आपको ऐसा रफनेस फील नहीं होगा. इट्स लाइक वेरी नाइस. एंड इफ़ यू नॉट वॉच माई लास्ट टाइम्स वीडियोज़, उसमें मैंने आपको बताया था कि कैसे आप उसको यू नो चूज़ करने का, फ्रॉम विच कंट्रीज़ यू शुड चूज़. So if you haven't watched that video, then please watch it. So this is basically all winter wear, very thick fabrics and soft. How about shorts? What is this? This is, you can wear it in the pool also, I think. Swimming pool mein 2790. Because the fabric is such that, you know, it's not cotton or anything. That's it. This is jacket. ये ऐसा ही जैकेट लिया था मैंने लास्ट टाइम व्हेन आई केम. सो इतना प्राइस, इट वाज अराउंड लेस देन दिस बट नॉट एज एक्सपेंसिव एज दिस. लेकिन सेम था ऐसे ही. एंड बट एक थिंग है यहाँ पे, इट वाज रिटन मेड इन बांग्लादेश. सो माइन वाज आई थिंक सम स्पेन और मोरक्को, ऐसे कुछ तो था. नॉट श्योर. अगर आपने पिछला वीडियो नहीं देखा तो ज़रूर देख लेना. उसमें मैंने पूरे डिटेल दिया है जैकेट्स के बारे में. चेक. आज फोकसिंग में बहुत प्रॉब्लम है. 2990. white jacket. I never prefer white jackets because in the conditions in which we live and travel, वो जल्दी ख़राब हो जाते हैं. This is a classic denim jacket. How much is this for? 1,990. What is this? It comes with a sticker. Oh, मुझे लगा कि ये ऐसे ही इनका वो जो बिल के जैसे लगाते हैं, लेकिन ये comes with a sticker. So this is something weird. You can check it out. It's made in Portugal. 1,990. We have these ripped jeans. 2,990. So this is a good pant. It's made in Turkey. Its fabric and all, it's fantastic. Very nice pant. And I think it goes well with this. This is 2,490. Made in Portugal. Most of the times we buy t-shirts and shirts which are white in color and pair them directly with the denim pants, but most of the times there's nothing like different about them. They're just plain. That looks good too, but when there's something some text like this at such a weird location, and it immediately sets you apart. थोड़ा सा unique ये look आ जाता है, तो इसी वजह से I think this is a very nice addition to your wardrobe. Look at this. ये भी कुछ हटके जैकेट है. Again, ये this will appeal to only a certain portion of the demographic. It's made in Bangladesh. Okay. Price 4,990. This is a basic full sleeve t-shirt and you have jeans. Jeans की price सबको बता देता हूँ. And where is it made? This is made in Morocco. Definitely this is a good quality jeans. Morocco and all. 2,500 rupees. Very nice. Okay. This is a very, very, very thin kind of fabric t-shirt. The thinnest of them all. Good for summers. Yeah. कितना है इसका? It's 990. So how much for this? This is only this thing costs 1,990. Okay, the t-shirt costs 990 rupees. This t-shirt, this full sleeve t-shirt or hoodie, it costs 3,990. So 3,990 plus 990, that is around 5,000 rupees ka t-shirt total. 5,000 ka t-shirt plus the hoodie. And what about the pant? Pant I think we've seen over there. इधर अंदर डाल के रखते हैं यार. All right. So the pant costs 3,000. This is a nice shirt, light green. How much is this for? 2,990.
It sound right, boy.
Yeah. 1,990. This is made in Portugal. Yeah. And the shoes to go with it. 3,000. I saw some really trendy shirts which I think you might be interested in. Shorts. Oh, the moment you touch them, they really feel very comfortable and very soft. I'm sure these are from very good place which I prefer. Yes, this is Turkey. If you've not watched my previous video, again I reiterate, again I want to tell you that watch that video. In that I have explained in detail as to how I choose these shirts. So all of these are made in Turkey. So that section over there is for the Morocco section. Here it is the Turkey section. Also, how much for the shorts? 2,790. And these are also, yeah, the fabric is very good. Where are they made? It's made in Turkey again. Now, this is a very good section. If you ever visit, you should definitely come to this section, the Turkey section. Whoa, another beautiful product. The quality is just amazing, huh? Yeah, and so is the price. Very good. This t-shirt, oh wow, I think this is one of the best white t-shirts I've ever seen. It's 1,790 and the shirt is just very nice. It's substantial. It's got this thickness to it. It's made in Turkey after all. It's 2,990. 2,790, that is 2,800 plus 3,000, that is 5,800 plus this t-shirt. This t-shirt costs 1,790. Now, as I told you, it's not the sale day. Enter at your own risk. But anyways, if you're getting a good quality, material and shirt at the right time, then any time is a good time. This jacket is 4,490 rupees. Quite good. This is 2,000 for this t-shirt. Now this t-shirt it's a bit thick. This one is very thin. This is very thick. The fabric is good. Nice. I like this jacket also. This is very durable. अच्छा भी दिख रहा है. What about this? Oh, wow! Fantastic feel to this fabric. Relaxed fit, made in Morocco. It's 2,990. Very nice. The shorts. Zara shorts. How much for this? 2,790. Yeah. Another thing I noticed are these shoes. These shoes look very, very different. It's just I found something else you might be interested in. It's right here and right there. I'll just show it to you. So this one, it's 2,500 for this. It's made in Turkey. It's got a good feel to the fabric. Yeah. Good. And this one. This is, I think, Morocco. Yeah, this is Morocco. And yeah, you can pair it with the white pants. How much? This must be around 2,790 because that's usually the price of the 2,790. Yep. And you have this white shirt, somewhat a kurta like feel to it. So that also is 2,990 rupees. And this is made in Bangladesh. I don't prefer this. Alright. So look at this one. This suit, I found it very different. So this costs 6,000 rupees. Obviously
Please come to the
separate.
ground
And
floor restaurant. Thank you.
there's this t-shirt. T-shirt I'm not much, of a fan because it's quite like elastic. And I'm sure I don't like this t-shirt that much, but I do like the suit. Yeah, it's very different. And this shirt,
Sunny, please come to ground floor cash counter. Thank you.
white shirt, is 2,000. Yep. Yep. So this caught my eye, but it's made in Bangladesh, and its fabric I don't quite like it. Yep. 2,790.
Granita, please come to transfer cash counter. Thank you.
These shirts are very good. They're from Turkey. Yep. Instantly you come to realize that they are of a superior quality. Yeah. And these are your white shirts. This is, I'm not able to make it out. Yeah, this is black. Okay. And for those of you who are looking for relatively cheaper products, यानी price के मामले में तो 990 rupees के, these are also quite trendy summer season के लिए. Now so we are in the rainy season, but in India, like 80% of the time it's summer. So, but again, it's made in Bangladesh. You have a variety of colors to choose from. You got these shorts. Shorts भी नहीं, shorts are expensive. This 1990. But it's a nice combo. Look at that. Yeah. You have your hats. What are the price of the hats? It's 1790. So that's overall, that's the average price of the caps also. So guys, I found some really cool stuff here also. And you have this hoodie. I'll start from this hoodie. The price of this hoodie is 2,790, and it's made in Turkey. It's very nice fabric, and I like this shirt also. This is like 4,000 rupees. How much is this? It's from Morocco. Very nice. And even this t-shirt, it's 990. Very nice t-shirt, huh? It's, oh, what is this? It's made in India. Very good product. I'm so happy to see that a made in India product is, it's as good as, Turkey. You can instantly feel the, fabric. Very smooth, very casual, comfortable. And here it is. Another. This thing looks very pleasing to the eye. मतलब ऐसे देखने पर ऐसे you feel very calm and composed and relaxed. So this is very nice. Look, this combination. So how much for this? 4,500. All right. And you have this denim jacket inside, which oh, look at the t-shirt. Very cool, made in Portugal. It's 2,000 rupees. Denim jacket, how much does it cost? There's no cost for the denim jacket written over there. Someone must have just kept it inside. Oh, they have kept it from here. Yeah. Alright, so this is made in. Okay, this is 2,000 rupees. I don't like the denim jacket that much. Also, the fabric is not as good as some of the rest of the items here. So I love this along with the white t-shirt. And what else? You've seen this, right? This hoodie. So this is a nice t-shirt. 2,000 bucks. This is made in Turkey. 2,000 bucks. And how much for the Mickey t-shirt? Is it written over here? Yeah. So it's 2,000 rupees. I think it's a collaboration between Zara and Disney. Very cool. Nice. Room 185. Whoa. Amazing fabric. And you know why that is. It's made in Turkey. It's 1890. Just looking at these pants, I can know from where they are. They have to be from one place, and that is Turkey. Very, very, the most comfortable pants I've seen in the store. These are the ones, the most comfortable. Like you can literally fall asleep wearing these pants. Very good. This is. Yes, that's about it. These shoes and something different here. This is 2,790 for this. It's made in Morocco. You have shorts for this. How much for the shorts? 2,800. So overall we are looking at 5,600. I'm sure you can get this at a lesser price on a sale day, but for now it's this much. So I think we are nearing the end of our little excursion here. So this is a 2,790. This is something very different. I call these the holy pants. So yeah, it's got a bit of India shade to them. Hope you liked it. So next time मैं sale पे लेके आऊँगा आपको. By the way, this is another section. This is, I think, the kids section. Yeah. So this is the girls section. I wish I could stay longer. Oh, look at that one. Huh. Something very different. And look at this one. Very cool, very cool. So anyways guys, I hope you like this video. I try to show you as many products as I could. और जैसे कि आपने देखा वहाँ पे ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट्स नहीं थे, सेल नहीं है ना, दैट्स वाई. सेल जब रखेंगे तब मैं फिर से आऊँगा, और मुझे पता है सेल कब होने वाला है, तो थोड़ा सा मुझे आइडिया है. आई एम नॉट कंफर्मिंग इट, बट whenever it is there, I will post a video as soon as I can so that all of you can know about it. So don't forget to hit the bell icon, and also don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you for watching till here. This is Happy Bond saying goodbye to all of you. Until the next time, bye bye.